In the cab business, the lousier the weather, the busier we are. No matter if it's a rainy day, we're right out straight. A day like this, I mean, Laura, our dispatcher, the phone has not stopped since 5 o'clock this morning. It's been like this storm right here is nice and dry. The last one was nice and dry. So as far as actual driving conditions, I don't think it's been worse. I mean, a week ago we had like that 2 inches of that slick stuff. That was bad. It's ridiculous. I've had crazy women and drunks and yeah, anything you could possibly imagine. We do a lot. People don't realize how many, the day shift, how many people we take to doctor's appointments.
Can you take it to 302 Hudson?
Right, 41302 Hustle. And all we can do is cover as many calls as we can cover. That's all we can do. You know, you can only be so many places. Unfortunately, though, a couple of times, people that we have taken to dialysis and stuff, like a couple of weeks ago, we picked up this one woman, I've known her for months, and she passed away, so that kind of like sucks. And I picked up and I got to really like and enjoy and, you know, giving a ride back and forth to dialysis and stuff, and like they passed away.